Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a document on the Outlook portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a document we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Then let's go to OneDrive. Now let's go to Admin, My Files. Go to the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. And now we should have a document in this folder ready for us to download to the Mac computer. We can now click on the top right corner of that document and then we should see download available. And so the document itself has been downloaded. We can click on this to open up trial document. And so that should open up within seconds. Unless the application is verifying on screen like it is now. And there we go. The test document is on screen. We can now close the document for the moment. Now let's re-access that document again via Finder. And there we go. So we have that document saved within the Downloads folder within Finder on a Mac computer. So we can now quit Finder. We can quit Google Chrome as well as Microsoft Word. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.